Hi, Zach Petros here from MarineMax Jacksonville, and we're standing next to our brand new Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. You can see this is a great setup for cruising around. Any type of activities you really want to do with it. Go fish the creeks, go to the sandbar, or just go for a nice afternoon cruise. Very stylish boat. Full hull color light blue, chrome graphics. Just a classy looking boat. Speaking of classy, classic Boston Whaler foam filled, top to bottom, side to side, all the way around. It is foam, you can't sink it. Mercury FourStroke on it, tons of performance, very fuel efficient. You can run all weekend on a tank of gas. Got a nice bench seat here, a couple cup holders in the boat. Gives you good storage up here in the console, so registrations, purse, wallet, that type of thing. You can throw in there. It is gasketed, so it is waterproof. Up front, you've got a nice anchor locker that doubles as a fish box. Once again, foam. This boat has a sun top on it and comes with a trailer. Come on down and see one of our brand new Boston Whaler 13 Super Sports.